Oddly enough, it rarely starts with security. It starts with convenience, with wanting to log in once and be done with it, and then slowly realizing that identity sits at the center of everything you run. That realization is usually what pulls people toward tools like Authentik, Keycloak, and Authelia, each offering a different philosophy around authentication and access control. Authentik feels modern in both appearance and mindset. It is designed to be flexible, visual, and approachable, especially for self-hosters who want powerful features without drowning in complexity. Flows, policies, and integrations are presented in a way that encourages experimentation and that naturally lowers the barrier to advanced setups like single sign-on and multi-factor authentication. Because of this, Authentik often feels like a system you grow into, starting simple and gradually adding layers as your infrastructure expands. Keycloak sits on the other end of the spectrum, carrying the weight of enterprise expectations. It is mature, battle-tested, and extremely feature-rich, supporting complex identity scenarios across large organizations. Everything from federation to fine-grained role management is built in, and that depth makes it incredibly powerful. At the same time, that power comes with density. Keycloak does not hold your hand, and the learning curve can feel steep, but once mastered, it becomes a central authority you can rely on across countless services. Authelia approaches the problem from a calmer, more focused angle. It is often used as a protective layer in front of applications, acting as a gatekeeper rather than a full identity ecosystem. Configuration is mostly file-based, predictable, and transparent, which appeals to users who value simplicity and auditability. Authelia excels at doing one thing well, enforcing authentication and authorization in front of web services, and that clarity is part of its charm. Each one bridges security and usability in a different way, and those bridges matter depending on how complex your environment really is. For a home lab or small deployment, Authentik often feels like a sweet spot, while Authelia shines when you want something lightweight and predictable. In contrast, Keycloak makes the most sense when identity is not just a feature, but a core service that everything else depends on. None of them are inherently better, they're simply built for different mental models. And somewhere between setting up your first login flow and forgetting your password on purpose just to test it, you realize that good authentication disappears into the background, exactly where it belongs.